Welcome in once again, guys. We're here to feed that Yu-Gi-Oh cardboard addiction, guys. You guys already know. We have number 41, Bagooska, the terribly tired tapir. Man, what a name. Or tapir. I don't even know. Guys, from the 2018 Advent Calendar collection, guys. This thing always comes out, I believe, at the end of the calendar year. Respective year, right? And no one cares, but this card has gone parabolic. Card was always 5 bones forever, hard to get, people coming in specifically buying up this version, and you wake up today and the card is 20 bones. 4 listings only, 1 page. You do have a 5 wall there, and then another 5 wall, so the card will be 20s for the foreseeable short-term future. But again, as the price goes up, it says it was 767s. And then, volume dwindles, but still, technically, that's where it's at. No way. Look at that, guys. Yeah, we've had some Billy Bobs come in at double digits. Wild, guys, with confirmed sales, multiple confirmed sales, guys, we have here. Just insanity, guys. When it comes to it, it's just mind-boggling. What a buyout. What a way to start the week with a card like this. Jay, but I don't have this particular version. Yeah, but I mean, these buyouts are going crazy again. And what we can use this for is like, okay, I don't have the card, Jay, this, that, and okay, that's fine. If you don't have the card, I don't have this card either. Where is it? This one, right? But again, these might be signs of what's to come for the other versions that you might be having right now under your possession or in your collection. Again, this Valiant Smasher's rare could be a Billy before everything is all said and done. Now, I believe this is a great candidate. This is a great card that would, be or look very nicely in Rarity Collection 4 or, Stampede. It looked nice. Again, XCs, they've been reprinting XCs inside the Rarity collections. This is one that definitely needs that reprint because, again, this Ultra Rare is already bought out. Again, if you need one, I'd be coming in and getting this one. It says it's 446s, spiking up to 6s. But here you have a couple at around that same price, even in 09. Don't let this one be double digits. Don't do that. 18 listings, so you come in and snipe, the matching rarity from Battles of Legend, Battles of Legend, Relentless Revenge, guys. Make sure you get exposure to a card like this, or even the rare, man. The rare is a penny stone, guys, as we showed right here. Look at that, from Valiant Smashers. This card is on an uptrend. The trend is your friend until the end. You got to stick through right here. You have plenty of copies here, plenty of amounts, big walls of China. That's good. Don't be that guy paying a Billy for a card that you can get at less than 2 quarters today, guys. Then we have Primite Roar. Again, this super rare from Rage of the Abyss. Jay, only one of us played. It's a super rare. It should be readily available, right? Guys, the Primite hype is not just insane for lordly loads, which we've been discussing in the past couple of market watchings, and I will be giving you guys a brief update in just a moment. But guys, Primites, the engine is splashable with vanilla decks. Don't sleep on it. Blue Eyes, we mentioned it the other day. Look what your boy had to say. Look at that. It says 2 weeks ago. This was December 18th, guys. It was close. It's getting closer to 3 weeks ago. 2.5K views. Look what your boy had to say. To be early, this super rare with Roar, pick it up. Look at that clean uptrend and no one's paying attention to. Look at this volume spike here. In a 24-hour time frame, 169 copies sold. These are the signs that no one's looking at. No one else is paying attention to this chart, to the volume, to the trend. You can see it here ascending, about to spike up. This shekel card could be a Billy down the line, even as a one-up. It could be a Billy. The potential's there. It could be a Billy down the line. The potential is there, even as a one-up. Here. I have a couple of these, but I get more now. Guys, penny stocks. 20, 30 cents, quarters to Billy's. Take that 3-4x at least. Don't leave this value on the table. And then we have Imperial. Don't leave this value on the table. Talking about this card at quarters. We showed it there at quarters. Look at that. We had RO8s, play sets, and even more. If you scroll a little bit back up, Jay, look at that. RO9s right here. Let me see. Out to spike up. Look at that, guys. RO9 right there. Plenty of copies at quarters. And we said, guys, be early. You know why? Because in this same video, look what we did. Look what we did. Look at that. We literally showed, guys, the deck list. Again, this is not the end all be all. Jay, let go of the crystal ball already. You're good. Oh man, it's too easy. Guys, we went through an example. A deck list. Just an example, Bestial here and, Primites and Blue Eyes engine. This most likely is not going to be, you know, the end-all be-all list, but it might be pretty close. Probably keeps the core of it, especially the Primite engine. Look at that. We came here and we said it's a one-of. In this video, we literally told you guys, and then you come back one day and the card, you know, it's parabolic. Parabolic. Guys, recently at the end of December, you know, after we talked about the card, it was the 18th. About a week later, the card volume came in. Almost 500 copies sold in a 48-hour time frame. Parabolic, guys. Says we're getting sales at 70 cents. Jay, but the card is still 30 cents. What do you mean? And the card is still 58.50. These are just ones and two ofs. The walls are now at ability. The walls are now at ability. If you want a full playset by any reason, maybe one for yourself, one to sell in the future, and then one to trade, an RO3, then you need to pay $1. Pretty soon, these one-ofs, these are just deals. Deals and steers. By the end of today, these will be gone. Insane, guys, that the card is already ability. And after that wall of China, I'm telling you, man, I'm telling you guys, look at that. Look at that. Parabolic. You can see the chart. Literally, you have 5 ofs and a 9 ofs, but after that, $1.50. $1.50, man. I'm telling you. And then 2 bones for a card that was 25 cents just 2-3 weeks ago, man. 25 cents. A quarter. And not just, oh, Jay, there was just one. You know, no, there was RO9s, man. There was multiples. There was huge walls of China. And then you come back one day and this beautiful super rare is free. You know, not anymore. I'm just messing with you guys. It was free at quarters, man. But now it ain't free 99 no more. Parabolic advanced move, guys. Yo, let's see Billy Bob. Look at that. Already paying $1.50 for a playset. I mean, each. Came in, got a playset, paid $1.50 each. Another $1.50 right there. Another $1 right there. Telling you, man. Telling you, we I need to move on, man. I need to move on. We had Primite Lordly Loads. Look at that. Quarter centuries. That time we talked about it. I'm not going to bore you with another fresh off the flashback, right? You know, again, just 3 days ago, we were talking about this card at 120s. At 120s. You could go back and see it for yourself. Don't worry, guys. Look at that right there. $300 right now. $300, man. $300. Then 380s, then 400, then gone. Wild. Guys, wild buyout. Wild move. Deep pockets coming in, cleaning this card out. Mr. Clean has deep pockets, man. He has a cleaning company, man. You know, he don't play. He don't play. Mr. Clean don't play. He comes in, 300. Let me get 3. Shit, man. This card is rent money Primites, man. Rent money loads. Guys, pretty soon, especially if you want a playset, man, you're going to have to pay rent money. Literally, man. Single digit listings, 1 page only. Wild. Wild, guys. This card was 98s. Last we talked about it was around there, just breaking triple digits. And now, yeah. That's crazy. If someone actually got a sale at $12 and it wasn't one of those, like, you know, Asian English or OCG versions or whatever. Nah, I think this card was actually down there. Yo, what happened with this engine is just crazy. It gets crazier by the day. Crazier by the day, man. It's only even this one of his making moves that we just talked about today. That is just wild, man. Wild. Guys, we have Fiendsmith track, and the wildness doesn't stop. Card was 38 bones, then it was 85. Last time we talked about it, right? Gone. 1 listing. Nah, man. Mr. Clean, where you at, man? You have to make an appearance. It's just getting ridiculous. Right here. Big fat Mr. Clean. Right there. 130s. Single digi listings at 1. Just 1 single listing. Mr. Clean came through. He's like, bro, 85s, we good. We want the max rarity version. Of course, you have a playset here, but after that, gonzo. High sale price of 115s, guys. Getting sales in the triple digi range, like we said. And here we are. The max rarity version of track. Fiendsmith engine going bonkers, going insane. Hype is at all-time high, heading into supreme darkness. Just markets, man. Market's spiking up hard, man, for these high-end max rarity versions, man. Quarter century secret rares that people love and enjoy, that the community loves and enjoys. They want to get that feeling, that shininess, shiny cardboard that I'm playing the max rarity. that I'm playing the best rarity, the best version of the card. And now, hey, people getting ready for YCS Orlando. Ooh, man. Yo, Ma, we going to Disney. Oh, wait, I live next to Disney. Okay, it doesn't mean that much to me, huh? Guys, yeah, Triple T's, Triple Tactics Talent, Quarter Century Secret Rare from the 25th Rarity Collection Uno. This Quarter Century, was 54s, and the 52s, around 50 bones. Then we have the Sideways Booty Recovery right there, guys. Up to what, 58s? Nah, man, this is a $70 Quarter Century Secret Rare right now. 11 listings only, a lot of one-ofs. Really, it's a $75 card for a playset, and after that, 80s, then 90s, then triple digits, then gone. 2 pages only, almost single-digit listings, guys, as you can see here. Quarter Century, man. I mean, is this the technical max rarity? A lot of people are going to say yes, but this card also has, like, Pharaohs, Rares, and things of that nature. So, to me, that's a more, like, a higher-end, more exclusive rarity. So, but again, this is the more tangible, higher rarity play right here. And yeah, hey, crazy, man. This card might be, might make a push up towards 80s, man, and beyond. So don't sleep on Triple T's, man. If you want this most likely matching rarity for most players, they're gonna want to match those other quarter centuries that they have. So that makes sense that the demand is coming in for a staple, guys. Then we have what is this? Diesel Blaster, the Negation Fortress, from the Infinite Forbidden. This Quarter Century Secret was 1350s. 1350s. No one cared about it. Who cares about this Quarter Century? No one likes it. No one plays it. No one cares, right? And then volume comes in, and it says that it went from 1350s to 18 bones, right? Wrong. $28. You only have 4 left in the markets, then gone. Single-digit listings at 3. 1 page only, guys. Cleaned out. Cleaned out of the markets. Mr. Clean is back at it. He's going to work today. He's starting strong on Monday, man. Going to work. Taking that lunch pail. Hey, let's make it happen. Let's buy these cards out. Look at that. Quarter Century cleaned out, man. Pushing 30s for a card that was 1350s. And, these might get cleaned down and push it, to new prices, 40, 50 bones, man. So, yeah, if you have this card, you got money, man. You got money. You got a clean 2x play right there after, like, shipping fees and taxes and all that. So, not bad, man. Not bad. We have Maliss in Underground. This Quarter Century Secret Rare recently has been volatile. Was 190s, went down to 170s, and then back up to 200s, right? Wrong. 237s, essentially. 240s, and then 350s at the bottom of the page, where you see that play set for a band plus tax. 1 page only, single-digit listings at 5. I mean, demand is low. Again, low liquidity, man. We always say it on the channel. The higher a card's price goes, the less liquid it becomes, just by nature. The less buyers you're going to have at higher prices in life, in markets. That's just the way it is, man. It is what it is. What it is. You know what I mean? You mean what I know? So again, extremely low liquidity, but price appreciation basis on scarcity. Man, all those words sound great, man. Just the wording, the way we deliver. Man, if you can relate to this, make sure you like the video on the way in. Make sure you subscribe, to the channel on the way in. Ring that bell, because we do it different, man. We continue to provide that daily market watch value. Guys, Maliss Pete Cheesy Cat. This is the CR Collector's Rare. This checkmark recovery card came out at around 50s, mid 50s, went up to 60s, down to 50 bones, and then check marking. It says up to 70s, right? Wrong. You have one here at 88.22s, around high 80s. You have a couple here, 1, 2, a place. Excuse me, guys. Here, a place at around 90 bones, you could say, almost after tax, and then after that, triple digits at 111s, then 125s, 1 page only, 5 listings, guys. Again, the higher rarities, yes, you for some of these you have the quarter centuries and the CRs, but still, a lot of people, it's matching rarities, man. Like, now you have decisions to make. Now people, when they come over to crossover breakers, they compare prices. They're like, yeah, maybe I would have wanted the max rarity, but I can't afford it right now because getting all those cards and all those same rarities is too expensive. Let me comfort myself with the CRs now, right? So then they start getting all the CRs. They don't want quarter centuries. They don't want mixed, mix matching per se. They want a clean, same rarity inside their decks, and then that's why you get this demand all of a sudden for these meta-relevant cards. Look at that. Maliss P. Dormouse. Look at this card was what? 72s, volatile, all the way up to 90s, back down into the 70s, high 70s, and then check marking here. Sets to 105, triple digits, but really gone. 2 listings only. The clear definition of Mr. Clean. Right there. You can see it. You can see it right there. 115s with shipping and taxes, then 130s, then gone. Then gone. Cleaned out. Volume coming in, just cleaned out. These cards are super scarce, super hard to get, and people that, you know, that have it or that pull it might want it, so they keep it, keeping these off the markets, you know, and then, yeah. So these cards are making moves, man. These cards are making moves. Then we have Ghost Bell and Haunted Mansion. This card just keeps going up. This card just keeps going up. Quarter Century Secret, we were talking about it at 18s, went up to 30s when we last talked about it, and now it's 40 bones, 17 listings, guys. You have a couple of play sets here, and then the card is 50 bones at the bottom of the page. 2 pages only, 17 listings again. It's crazy how this card has continued going up in price. It should be $50 soon, and who knows, maybe even beyond for the quarter century secret rare from the Rarity collection. Who knows? Then we have Bone Archfiend, structure deck, the Crimson King. What? This common, single print, mind you. Oh, guys, from Shekels, parabolic to the Billy range, massive crash down back to Shekels, and now spiking up. Wow, insane. Parabolic advance move for a common from structured deck, the Crimson King. 6 listings only, 1 page only, and this card is gone. It's 3s today. It'll be bought out tomorrow, mind you, for a common. Bone Archfiend. Wow, look, if you come in here, you know, structured deck, the Crimson King. Everyone forgot about the structured deck. Look at that. Crimson Gaia is the most expensive card. A common. Well, technically now it's Bone Archfiend because this is 3s. But these 2 commons give you half of the structured decks. If you invested back then Vision Resonator used to be like $5-6. It's $1 now. Wow. Wow. But then everything else is shekels and cheap. You know, it makes sense. But again, inside the structured deck, people forgot about these cards, and now 2 commons give you half of the structured deck's value. Wild, guys. What's going on here? Look at these cards. Parabolic as well. Look, you go to the yearly card, you know, last year towards late February was shekels, 86 cents, went up to 265s, retraced back down to the mean, and now working his way back up. Look, I have a 1 up there, but after these 7, then you go to 344s, guys. For a common single print Crimson Gaia, 14 listings, guys. Wow. It's so impressive, man, to see moves like these, you know, come into the market. It's just like Synchro Rumble. What does it do? A Synchro Rumble. All these cards, they're like related. You know, the first 2 come inside the structure deck, and then you have Synchro Rumbles. But look, Bone Archfiend, insane spike, guys. You know, this A-Golf card still, you know, around a Billy. But after that, you know, the card, oof, I mean, it is a Billy. You know, you have Massive Walls of China, but this card was super cheap not too long ago. It was quarters. That's when I got my copies. So it's crazy. Then we have Dark Corridor. Guys, 25th anniversary tin dueling mirrors, given value. But wait, there's no value in the tins. How come? Tins are trash. All the noise, man. Tins this, tins that. Look at that. Parabolic. People whining. All this and that. Short print. And then, who cares? Just get the singles, get what you need, be in early, and you sell the Billy Bobs later. We keep our strategy simple, man. Look at that. Parabolic advance move for Dark Corridors. Card was $150. Wow, spiking up to 4s. But really, it's 488s, man. Post-tax is essentially a $5 card. For a card that if you go to the yearly, at one point was $130, but really consolidated under 2s, around $150. And now the card is up essentially 3x in price, guys, here, because it's a prismatic secret. It's hard to get. The OG secrets used to always be money, you know, before this reprint. So, hey, I mean, Dark Worlds making a comeback to the meta. Hey, it's their Rhoda, man. What a spike. What a parabolic advance move that no one saw coming. Yeah, I hadn't talked about this card since like the tins came out. So penny stocks, man. Telling you, that's why I love them tins, man. We always go against the grain. The herd. The herd is out. Tins are trash. I hate it. Even the singles are trash. They double there. They do that. A lot of whining and complaining. And there's money to be made. We don't got time for all that. Guys, this card was 2 bones. Sky Striker Ace Kagari. Prismatic Secret, right? 2 bones spiking up to what? To 5s. Wow. Guys, cleaned out. Cleaned out. 3 listings to a $12 card. After that, place it at 12s. It becomes 15s and then gone. Sky Striker hype. Excuse me, is at all-time highs. Crazy. What a Shizuku. Yeah, Shizuku. I mean, has Shizuku has you know, the quarter centuries now and came in Bonanza, so it's a little bit different. But where is it? Where is it? Let's look it up like this. The Prismatics, man, they might be making moves. Look at that. This Prismatic here, you know, was what? It says 2 bones. Okay, still at around $1. Okay, this one's still cheap, guys. So again, these are deals right now. Don't let this one be $5 and beyond. Yeah, Jay, but we got options. You know, we got the Platinum Seekers and the Quarter Centuries and the Alternate Art. Guys, it's all about matching rarities. How many times am I going to say that? Matching rarities. Literally, that's what it's all about. Matching rarities. Sky Striker Ace Shizuku. People getting Kagari. They're going to want the Prismatic Secret Rare Shizukus, man. This is free money waiting down the line. And then you have Hayates as well. Look at that. This card was 2 bones. Says spiking up to, at times, around 250s. And look, a couple of 1-ofs here. And then the card is 3 bones. Same deal. Don't let this one be $5. Yes, there's better options. There's higher rarities. But again, people want sometimes just that mid-max. Just that beautiful enough, but cheap enough. Keep that in mind. Guys, we have Red Eyes Black Full Metal Dragon, Quarter Century Secret Rare. This one is spiking up in price. Card was 38 bones, and then last we touched base was 65s, right? But now is 93 single digit listings at 9. You know, people are focusing more on the higher end because the lower end ultras, yeah, I mean, they're hard to get, but they're the lower rarity. You know, they're volatile, spiked up into the teens, back down into single digits, almost $5. So people are coming in for the sure bet, surefire, max rarity play here. And a couple of 1-ofs, and then we're at triple digits. There's what? 3, 4, 5 of these in the markets at double digits, then 125s into the triple digit range, 1 page only. Again, single digit listings. Wow. Now, this particular version, you know, due to the Metamorph support and Red Eyes, you know, iconic, it's going to be triple digits soon. So, already spiked up from 65s to almost 95s, guys. That's a $30 increase, man. Psh. Wild. Then we have a Stellar of the White Forest again, one that we were talking about at around 14s, 15s right here before the spike. Literally before the spike, we called this one, and now it says 1638s, but it's an $18 card. It's about to be a $20 card, man. Could have easily done a fresh off the flashback with this one, but you know, I'll give you guys a chance. Look at that. 36 listings. The game is too easy. The game is too easy. You know, I could chill in Macmillan just looking at this card. The game is too easy. We literally told you guys. We told you guys at 14s, 15s that this was your last chance, guys. So again, Stellar of the White Forest, one that people are undermining. You know, support is just around the corner. We don't know when and if this card is getting reprinted. So again, easy money. This is still just the beginning, but definitely wanted to mention to you guys this spike as of late, one that we obviously saw coming. Then we have Settlement Great Pyro Phoenix, Starlight Rare. From Chaos Impact, people forgot about Starlight Rares. And again, the ultras are pushing like almost 10s. We covered it a couple of market watches ago. So again, once the demand, you know, pushes that one, continues going higher, you know, for the OG versions. I think this one has a secret, an ultra, and then the Starlight, you know, hey, high rarity card was 70 bones. Now is 90s, 10 listings only. Pretty soon is going to be triple digits and beyond after that. So again, 1 page only. Yeah, it's again, 2+ fire effect monster. So yeah, it's a salad card, but don't sleep on it. You know, it's still a Cybers as well. And this is its max rarity form, one to keep on your radar. Guys, don't forget, link in the description down below. You come over here, you join the Discord, over 700 people in there, you know, and then we have X as well. You don't want to make sure, you don't want to miss, you want to make sure that you don't miss these great community tools and resources. And guys, make sure you destroy the subscribe button. Make sure you destroy the like button. It really does help out. Ring that bell so you can stay tuned to our channel giveaways, getting close to 7.5K. We will be giving back to the community. As always, stay tuned for more details the closer that we get. So again, if you enjoy the content, make sure you like the video. Just double check for your boy that you subscribe. Gladly appreciate it. None of this content is official financial advice. Is for entertainment purposes only. We have Chron, Quarian, Gandrax. Wow, can't believe I think I said the name correctly. We were talking about this card at 18, 19s, pushing 20s. It was 3s before that. Wild. And now the card has officially 10x in price. A 10xer here, 7 listings, single-digit listings, a lot of 1s and 2s. Play sets are pushing 40s, and then it's a $50 card gone. One page. Guys, insanity around Chron's. A lot of people really like, this decor. Wow, $32 Raging Tempest single print ultra rare from a core set. Raging Tempest came out years and years and years ago. Wild. So who knows if and when it's getting a reprint. In the meantime, it's a single print card, and wow, it's insane how this card continues to go parabolic, guys. Wow, very, very impressive. These moves, just like Chris Strong, man. Yeah, let's try. Sofenir. What? Sofenir, man. Again, from Raging Tempest again, but this one is a super rare. This card, we talked about it recently. It was shekels around quarters and went to a billy and beyond, and now the curve, parabolic curve coming in. It says 222s, but the card is 324s, and eventually a $5 card at the bottom of the page. 20 listings, guys, but it's less if we would clean it up janitor style. But the whole point is these Chron cards are getting hard to get. People don't know if and when they're getting reprinted. It's a lot of people from the community like these. They're just coming in, they're getting the cards that they need, and this rush, this demand, it's a supply shock and causing both of these cards, as we can see here, to spike up in price, to continue going up in price. And we have Striker Dragon here, quarter century secret. Again, we talked about it at 6s. Then the volume came in at around 7s, and then spiked up. It says to 1053s, but the card is $13, 17 listings only, and then quickly goes to 15s and beyond. 2 pages only. Again, we mentioned this a couple of weeks ago. Whenever the Dragon Ruler support was announced, we said, guys, this is easy money. We even showed a potential deck profile. Played at one of, I think it's at 1 over here if I'm not mistaken, and it's quarter century secret rare version from Rarity Collection Uno, and now it has continued going on up. It'll be 15 soon, with the potential of becoming 20 pluses down the line. Then we have Aaron the Ogodaic man, or Ogdo man. Yeah, I said that wrong. Ogdo man. Jeez, these names, man. Aaron the King. This reptile card, the CR version. Collector's rare from Ancient Guardians, used to be $5.79, spiked up to 14s. Man, no more. 12 listings, and now it's a $25 card. It has kept going up. Pretty soon it's 30s, and then 40s at the bottom of the page. 2 pages only, guys. And hey, a lot of people, a lot of hype, man. There's people out there, they love reptiles. They want to play their deck. They're coming in. They're getting the higher rarity plays here from Ancient Guardian. Insane. These spikes have continued going on in the markets. Then we have Artifact Lancia, PUR here. Guys, this card was shekels. I wonder who was talking about this card at those prices, but that's neither here nor there. Then recently it bumped up to 4s, for a PUR. It's like, nice little move here. People need their Lancias, we get it. But now it's an $8 card. 12 listings only, guys. A lot of one-ofs. If you have a play set, you're going to have to pay $8.75, and pretty soon double digits. If I see double digits, mine are gone. I'll take some supers or some ultras, just keep a playset. And that's, again, every time I talk about the Rarity collection, I say that I like that. If I own one of these versions that I really like, but they spike up to Billy Bob prices, then it's nice to have always the cheap alternative, like for a quarter or 2 quarters, whatever, a pop. You come in, you still have access to the card in the holographic version, but you can sell these and profit off these. So, yeah, Lancias are 8s. Don't let it be double digits if you want this version, but it's spiking up in price. As you can see, Nibs as well. Nibiru the Primal Being, these staples, people need them. These hand traps, they were 350s, spiking up to 535s. And you have a one up there at 5 bones, but it's really a $6 card. A couple of 1s and 2s, then it's 7s and beyond. $8 at the bottom of the page. 3 pages only. 29 listings. Is Nibs, man. People need their rocks. and they want matching rarities. They play PURs in their decks already. They're like, let me get these staples. And then you come back and these cards have appreciated in price. Same deal. Don't let this be 750s in the short term, potentially even being double digits down the line as a staple hand trap. Don't do that. And we have Orcus Nightmare from OTS Tournament Pack 11. This card, you know, was consolidating around 4 bones and now spiking up, it says, to 550s. But really, you only have a 2 ofs there at 6s, and then it's 868s. And then after those 2 is really a $10 super rare from the OTS pack. After a couple sell here, 6 listings, guys, single digit listings, 1 page only, cleaned out. You have Mr. Clean keeping them walls at around 10s, guys, for this, you know, super rare that used to be $1, used to be a bone. Even Shekels, man, even Shekels. Orcus support got announced, 80 sales in a 48-hour. Well, that's almost a week. So this is the yearly chart, yeah. You know, in a week, that yearly candle, wow, yearly all-time, yearly high, you know, in this volume candle right here, in early to mid-October. Insane with this super rare, making these moves, guys. Then we have Gateway to Chaos from Shadows and Valhalla. This secret rare, I had no clue that it's been going up. Look at that. Card was $1 and some change, about $1.15, and ever since it's gone parabolic. It says here heretofore, with volume coming in recently. And yeah, you have a couple of 1-ofs, but if you want multiples, the card is 419s, and then eventually 559s and beyond. 2 pages only, 12 listings, guys. Again, don't sleep on this card. Damn, this 10 Blackluster Soldiers pushing 2s already. Spiking up as well. Look at that. Wow, the walls are already. This card is pushing $2 for this prismatic that used to be Shekels. The 10s, man, they continue to provide value, and they will do so the harder that these cards get to, you know, you know, so yeah, easy money. Gateway making moves as a secret, of course, from Shadows and Valhalla. Then we have this Blackluster Soldier Legendary Swordsman making moves. Yes, you can always see the walls of China, but these walls were there at Shekels as well, and now they're at Billy's today. So again, this spike in price, don't sleep on some of these penny stocks. We have Blue Eye Spirit Dragon PCR. Again, this card was what, 65 shekels, parabolic move to $1.78, you know. And again, with shipping, this is what, 250s already. Wow, look at all these 1-ofs, man. The bottom of the page is a $5 card, as we can see here. 2 pages only, 20 listings. We told you guys at Shekels, just pick up Spirit Dragons. You know, any of these holographics, Platinum Secrets back when they were under 5s, you know, PCRs at Shekels, PURs at Shekels, and now you come back, and this one could easily be a $5 PCR sooner rather than later. So again, if you go to the PUR version, look at that. PURs, let's clean this up, janitor style, right here real quick. Look at that, guys. 27 listings. You see a couple of 1-ofs at Billy's, but quickly goes to 2s and then beyond. 3 pages. Guys, volume is coming in. Get your Spirit Dragons from Rarity Collection 2. We told you guys that's a forgotten Rarity collection, but there's still amazing value inside that set, as we discussed last week. Easy money. Easy money, guys. Don't sleep on these, man. Come on now. Then we have Vampire Frowlin from Dark Saviors. This card used to be $1 and some change for the secret rare max rarity. Went up to 225s, but really, you have 2 here at 3s. Then the card is gone. 6 listings, 1 page only. You have a couple of 1s and 2-ofs, and the next playset is at 1287. Pushing 13s, guys. So this secret rare getting cleaned out of the markets, bought out. Vampires, man, this is a really nice artwork, man. Really nice artwork for that secret rare from Dark Saviors. Then we have Joker's Straight Knight. Is it Knight? No, just Joker Straight. What? I could have sworn it was Joker Straight Knight or something. But wow, the artwork of this card is beautiful. Beautiful artwork. Again, as a single print, we need a reprint of this card, like a secret rare or something like that. It should look beautiful. But again, we have the King's Court ultra rare card. Used to be 5 bones. No one cared about it. Went up to 8s, but now is a $10 card with shipping right there. 10 bones a pop. Officially entering the double digit mark. 2 pages only. 19 listings again. You know, a lot of people like these Joker cards. Yeah, they're not meta relevant, but some of these, you know, cards are just more like the nostalgia. You know what I mean? So really beautiful looking artwork, beautiful looking card as an ultra rare single print from King's Court. I mean, what else came in here? King's Court, you have what? Best selling here are the Pharaoh's rares, and then the CRs, as well. But yeah, Utopic Future, Lightning Storms. Okay, CR. Wow, OGs are at 10s, Lightning Storms, CRs. You know, and again, so yeah, a lot of CRs in here. A lot of CRs. But let's see. Let's check the Ultras right here. Look at that. Ultras here. Okay, Doka came in here at around a bone. Then we have Arcana Triumph Joker. This card might be 5 bones pretty soon. So again, just keep these random cards in mind. We have Brave Eyes Pendulum Dragon. This card always been money from Raging Tempest again. Man, Chris draws, but also Pendulum Dragon. Brave Eyes card was 20 bones, spiked up to 22, right? Wrong. 28 bones to 30s for the unlims, $31 for the first eds, and then 37s at the bottom of the page. One page only, single digit listings at 7, guys. Wow. This card was already money at around 20s, low 20s, and now is essentially a $30 card. And the secret rare just continues to go up throughout time. Crazy, you know, how this card's performed, you know, especially recently. We have Evil Twins, Kisakil and Lila. Man, these names, man. Look at that. Was 11s the other day, spiking up here to 15s, it says. But really, it's a $20 card. 24 listings, 3 pages only. Again, a lot of Evil Twin hype. It makes sense, you know, that this card is making moves, making plays. Man, what a beautiful card, man. What a beautiful card. I can't wait for this card to get reprinted. But in the meantime, spiking up, continuing the uptrend, making a new 3-month high. Then we have Sosei Ryuji Mitzvah. We told you guys to pick this card at anything, you know, under 3s, you know, or at around 350s. And look, spiking up, it says here to 5s. And the card is really 6 bones with shipping, guys. And then quickly becomes almost $10. 3 pages only, 21 listings. And we told you guys, when this card came out, we said, we emphasized, usually when these side sets come out, everyone focuses on, you know, the 2 best decks or whatnot. Then they forget about that 3rd, you know, deck archetype. And here we are. Here we are. This card could be $10 as an ultra. Wild, guys. Already, crossover breakers making moves. Don't forget you have the quarter centuries. Used to be 44s, went up to 56s, back down to 47s. And here we are. This is the next move. This could easily be, you know, plus 50 plus in the very short term. So if you want the higher end, don't sleep on this particular version. And lastly, we need to finish off with the best card, man. The best collectible card in Yu-Gi-Oh! Little D. From Legendary Collection 4, Joey's World. Guys, card was $9, says pushing 12s. 3 listings only. Cleaned out. Cleaned out. You have 2 there at 12s, then it's 17 bones, and then you have 4 at $30, and then gone, guys. Wild. Wild that this card has been spiking up and getting cleaned out. I guess that, you know, people don't expect this to come in Rarity 4. You never know, because Petite Moth is already there, man. Little D, that'd be iconic, man. But we'll wait and see what happens down the line. Guys, don't forget to subscribe on the way out. Don't forget to ring that bell and like the video. It really does go a long way if you also share this in one place, you know, on one social media network, or maybe with a group chat or a friend. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned for the live stream, you know, this Friday. We're gonna have fun again this week. And if you made it this far out, guys, you guys are just straight MVPs. Guys, thank you so much for your time, for your support, for your attention. Stay fresh.